All right, so today we're going to try to imitate the skin modifier using geometry nodes. Okay, let's make a copy of this thing. And then kill the skin modifier, add geometry nodes, and then go to the geometry nodes tab. Let's increase this thing for visibility. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is create curves out of this mesh. So mesh to curve, and then you want to create mesh again from this curve, so curve to mesh. You need to specify the profile curve. We'll select curve circle, and you can adjust the radius. And then now we're gonna turn it into a volume and then back to a mesh. So mesh to volume, and then volume to mesh. We're almost there. You can adjust the, actually first you need to change the amount for the resolution. And then you can adjust this voxel amount to something small, so it'll be very rough. And then you can increase the number until it looks like the result from the skin modifier. Okay, there you go. Not bad.